stress with my phone, but I figured out a SIM card. I have Wi-Fi on there now, data. My room is a mess. I'm only staying here for 1 night. 2 nights actually. I'm staying here tonight. 2 nights in New York and then 1 night here. And then we're leaving again. I can't believe I'm going to New York tomorrow. I need to figure out what I'm gonna wear. Good morning. I feel so chill filming here because no one knows me. No one knows who I am. Good. It's 1:40. This lighting is so good. This is rude. Oh my god, this is the worst lighting ever. Getting ready to leave Connecticut. It's 9:50. I did not sleep well. It's fine.
In case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, 'cause there I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. From now I will feel the ocean view. And I pray that it won't be over
Continue screen for 30 seconds.
Sunlight, warm nights, can't do much. I still feel your ice cold skin. Rice wine, candlelight is still not enough for me to know about your ins and outs. You're letting me know you want me around, but now how can I be sure? You got me begging for more than a dead end, so lay it down for me instead right now. No, how about we just jump in the deep end? I won't let you drown. I won't let you down.
Good morning. I did my makeup in the dark. Looks fine. My hair. We are still in Washington. Actually, we're in Virginia. And we're leaving to go to North Carolina today. Let's go. We are still somewhere in Virginia. Look how pretty though. I haven't really talked in a while because I'm constantly around family, so just a little nerve-wracking, but still like 2.5 hours to go, I think. On our way to North Carolina. Yay!
got me diving new. How can I be sure?
4:40. Everyone inside is asleep. But yeah, we went shopping. Dollar store, Kohl's, Old Navy, some vintage store, Dick's Sporting Goods, Target, and now I'm going back because I forgot to get something for my mom. And what else? I don't know what else. But yeah, I'm going back to Target and I'm going to TJ Maxx. So I'm probably first gonna go to TJ Maxx and then go to Target. I'm gonna go. Let's go! Where I'm just like,
a mile, turn.
a couple of months ago, I could not have imagined that I was actually driving here in a whole different country myself. Am I even allowed to drive here? I think I am, right? I got my driver's license. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Oh my god, that's right.
What can I do when a million things are running through?
Target is exhausted. I'm gonna go home. Good morning.
That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories. But I don't even know what's
Good. Almost afternoon. It is 11:30 and it's our last day. I don't want to go. Let's go to IHOP. Seems like a good idea.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one.
I was gonna go downtown today, but everything is closed. So I'm just gonna walk around the neighborhood. Maybe take some photos.
You got those pretty eyes in your head. You know.
Please, Butch.
You are exactly what I want. Kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you.
I just ran up the stairs. Give me a second. Okay. Suitcase over there with my carry-on. This is my second carry-on. I have a good feeling about this.
Sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof.
Let's go. This was my room for almost a week. Some bagels. Both my suitcases are too heavy.
Driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof.